I am back with another video, and it is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 extra one. And today, for Wine and Wigs Wednesday, we're doing something completely different. There aren't really any wigs, but there is a wig grip. If you haven't seen this video on my channel before, I reviewed a wig grip that I purchased from Amazon.com. This wig grip has changed my whole entire life. I'll go ahead and leave a link for that video above. Let me just show you this. Ooh, don't. This is my wig grip right here. It's a headband that you put on your head, then you just pop your wig on. I decided to take it a little bit further, and I wanted to see what we can do with these wig grips. There's nothing about this wig grip that says that you're supposed to do anything that I'm doing in this video. Wig grips are just for normal day-to-day wear, but I wanted to see just a couple of the things. What can you do with it? One of the things that I did was work out in the wig. I wanted to do my full, hardest day workout in this wig. I'm gonna show you how it worked out. Also, I want to tell you that I did not secure the back at all, and the only thing that was securing the wig was the elastic band, which I have to have on all of my wigs because my head is extremely small, and the wig grip, and that was it. I'm going to show you a little bit of a clip of everything that I did in the gym. I did a couple of workouts on the treadmill. I did lunges, hop jump, side to side walk with squats, hill sprints. At least 30 minutes I was on the treadmill. And then I started to do side ab workout, punching workout, worked out my glutes. I finished it off with an ab workout. I was in the gym for over an hour, and the whole time my wig stayed on my head. I was sweating through it. Y'all, I was sweating bullets, but it seems like the wig held up. If you tap on it, it works. It did good through my whole workout, so ding, ding, ding. All in all, the wig stayed on my head. She didn't move. I ran. I did a whole bunch of stuff. I wasn't even worried about my wig leaving my head. She was there for good, and I loved it. Let's move on to the second thing that I did. And I decided that I wanted to see if you could swim in a wig grip. You are not supposed to be swimming in a wig grip, but I just wanted to see. Curiosity killed the cat. So I used the same exact wig. I didn't want to change anything. I didn't secure it in the back. There were no pins. There was no nothing. I just had the wig grip on, no cap. That's it. Now, all in all, I was in the pool for about 30 minutes. When I first got in, I took a dip down, came back up, and my wig was still on my head. It still felt secure. It felt fine. So then I decided to swim a little bit. So I swam in the water, came back up, wig still on. She's doing good. I'm actually surprised, but the story continues. I swim towards my husband, come back up, perfect. Swim another time towards my husband, come back up, perfect. Swim another time towards my husband, come back up, perfect. This shit is working. Like, the wig grip is staying on my head. I wanted to figure out what I can do to make it slip. So this was the coup de grace. I dipped my head back into the pool and came back up. I felt my wig slip back. She slipped, honey. I just knew I had to do it one more time. Let me just go ahead and tell y'all something about our pool. You know, everybody's out, and this was a weekend. Come to find out, the wig grip doesn't quite hold up underwater. So, I dipped it one more time. I felt my scalp getting a nice cool breeze, and my wig was floating in the pool. She was hanging out. Swiftly and professionally, I got up out of that pool. I wrapped the wig up in the towel because she was cold. She felt betrayed. And I just pooched my way back onto the house. From my personal experience, it was just fine to work out in with the wig grip and the wig. Now, swimming, if you're gonna wear the wig grip when you're by the pool, either stay just by the pool or just do a cute dip. If there's anything else y'all would like me to do with the wig grip, y'all let me know. I truly enjoyed doing this experiment. If you have any questions or any more requests for anything you'd like me to experiment, because apparently a bitch ain't got no shame, leave it down below. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.